guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a eSound account. So let's get started. So if you want to create an eSound account, so to do that what you have to do is just simply open up your Play Store, and after opening up your Play Store, now in search bar you have to search for eSound. And after searching for that, now if you haven't installed this application, then what you can do is just simply go ahead and install it. And after completing the installation process, now what you can do is just simply open up your eSound application that you have installed. And after opening up your eSound, now what you can do is just simply go ahead and create an account. So now in order to create an account, what you have to do is just simply tap on register for free. And after tapping on that, now in order to create an account, you can use your Facebook, Google, or you can sign up with eSound. So what I'll do is I'll just simply tap on sign up with eSound, and now in order to sign up with your eSound, what you have to do is enter your email address. After entering the email address, just tap on continue. And after tapping on continue, now you can just choose a password for your account. So just create a password and then make sure that you have created a strong one. So after creating a password, just simply tap on continue. And after tapping on continue, now you have to enter your name and your username. So just simply enter that. And after entering your name and username, just simply tap on continue. And after tapping on continue, now you just have to choose any 3 artists that you like. And after selecting them, just simply tap on register, which is on the bottom of your screen. And now if you want to save your password, just simply tap on save, and your password will be saved in your Google accounts. And next time if you try to log into your account, you don't have to enter your email address and password. So here you can see guys, now you have successfully created your eSound account. So that's it guys, this is how to create eSound account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.